How to fix the Outlook error code 0x800. So if you're having issues signing into your account or sending or receiving emails, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. So the first thing you can do is just go and load up the Outlook app on your computer. You can then go and click on File at the top of this page and select Settings. Now click on Accounts from the left-hand side. And here you'll see your different email accounts. Now what you need to do is try removing your account and then re-adding the account. So if you click on Manage, you can then scroll down the page and select Remove. Click on Remove from this device and press OK. And then once you've done this, you'll need to sign back in to your email account. Now, if it's still not working, I'll show you another way to solve this as well. So open up your Start menu. You can then click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select Apps and then click on Installed Apps. Now, use the search box and type in the word Outlook. Click on the 3 horizontal dots and select Advanced Options. Now scroll down to this Reset section and click on Repair. You can then click Reset and press the Reset button. Now select Uninstall and then just press Uninstall. And once you've done this, close out of this window. Go and open up your Start menu, search for the Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Now just use the search box and type in the word Outlook, and then you can re-download and reinstall Outlook for Windows. And once you've done this, you can try signing back in to your Outlook account, and you should now be able to send and also receive emails.